Okay, we're just going to take a look at one of these algebra expressions where we're going to simplify with the complex denominator. So we've got this 2 over 2x plus 3 and 3 over x minus 2, and we want to simplify them. So to get them simplified like any equation, basically you got to think of this as like 2 over a minus 3 over b, right? And so ab is my common denominator. And so with this, I'm going to multiply by b to get that as common denominator of ab, and whatever I do to the bottom, I'm going to do the top. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing with the a, and times both the top and the bottom by a. And you can see how this works. I get 2b over ab minus 3a over ab. Well, we're going to do exactly that same thing over here, except we're going to do it with a little bit more complicated expressions. So we've got this 2x plus 3, and all we're going to do is we're going to multiply it across here, right? So we've multiplied it across to the 3, and on the bottom here as well to the x minus 2 to create basically this kind of thing here. And then we're going to do the same over here. We're going to multiply this through with x minus 2, which is the other part of the denominator. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to push that over there, and there we go. So now we've got this expression that's over the common denominator, and I've multiplied the top and the bottom, and some people kind of talk about it as like cross-multiplying of some sort, but that's really not what you're doing. And then we've got this. So the next step, obviously, is to multiply this across that, so you get 6x plus 9, and multiply this across that, and you're going to get 2x minus 4 and 6x plus 9. Now at this point, all we have to do, we've got these over the same denominator, so I don't think it's going to let me do this. We'll just see. No, because... But that's kind of what you do. Now, once you've got that, the next thing is you just simply are going to get the 2x minus the 6x, which is negative 4x. Now remember, you're minusing, so it's the 2x minus the 6x. And then it's the minus 4 minus 9, and that's going to be minus 13. And it's all over the 2x plus 3 and the x minus 2, because that's the common denominator, and that's how it works. And you don't need to multiply that out. You're fine to stop.